Orange car's really loose. Oh, so am I. Oh, what was that? Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. We are at Crestwood RC Raceway for the AMAIN Challenge and the Eastern Triple Crown Race 2 of 3. We're going out for the mains. We've just finished our 3 qualifiers.
Up next, race number 1.
First thing I'm going to go to with EBuggy. EBuggy have qualified P8 overall, so I'll be starting probably in the back of the AMAIN. I'm currently running a soft J-Concepts Reflex on a yellow wheel. I have tried a couple different tires throughout the day. This one has gotten a little bit looser on me since the temps have heated up, which is surprising, but I am still going to try and run it on my mains. And as boring as it is, I'm still going to stay on J-Concepts Reflex for the entire race day with EBuggy. There are some sponsors for this event, so they've been raffling off some tickets, and I just want to show you some of the prizes that are available.
So a reminder, 40 plus EBuggy will be first. Justin Williams, David Steele, David Turcott, Pete Elphinstone, Emil Len, and then Nitro Buggy.
Prizes to go golfing.
All right, guys, we're gonna do the draw.
Coyote Crestwood ESC, that's not pretty nice. See if we win anything. All right, here we go for the A1 EBuggy main. They are doing double electric mains. That was not planned for this event, but I'm glad we're doing it. There wasn't enough 40 plus to extend the day, so they did give us our double A mains that we're used to having at Crestwood RC. I very much appreciate that. So, starting in position 8, and we'll see if we can move up any in the grid for A1, A2. I'm just going to record A1, and I'll show you the stats in the end. All right, I guess I'll check in and start a practice lap. You can do the double now. It's at the very start of the event. Yesterday during practice, you literally couldn't jump that tabletop on the straightaway because it had such a crazy kicker on it. Now it's better.
Marshals, guys.
Whoa, I'm losing my camera.
On the side will be good. Right side will okay.
Pull off for a
Back
minute.
side we
Fix
can use
my
one.
stuff.
Try for volunteering. Let's get this go on the road. EBuggy A1. After this will be EBuggy.
All right, I'm on Reflex Softs. And actually they feel a little bit better than they did during Q3. Q3 was extra sunny, extra hot. We now have a bit more cloud cover and it feels better.
My nitro motor is...
Yeah, we're good.
My nitro motor is done. No compression.
Ooh.
Then it'll be David Turcott. Guys, AMAIN number 1. I'm excited for this one.
All right, here we go.
Drivers ready. Marshals ready. Less than 5. Here we go. EBuggy AMAIN number 1. Clean start, clean start, clean start. Oh, Justin there.
Oh, good start for me. That orange car is really loose. Oh, so am I. Lost like 3 positions there. Ooh, jump the pipe. Keep on moving. Evade the traffic.
Oh, watch in the front, watch in the front. Caution in the front, stay on the right side. Caution in the front. Oh, and Steve Bowman, oh, that's tough. Oh, come on. Oh, worst case scenario for Steve there. But it is now. Barrett up top, Henry in second. Followed by Brian Keith in that third spot. David Steele in fourth. Fab in fifth. John Kennedy sixth. Justin Williams seventh. Chris Larabi, Bellinger, Steele, Bowman, and Turcott with 5:45 to go. Unfortunately, Justin Williams out of this one. He was coming through the pack. Last beat for the second
Nasty
race.
rock I just picked up.
But Barrett checking out right now, going on that backside straightaway. Oh, somebody help out Carter. Oh, he's good. Oh, Barrett's stuck on someone. Gonna allow Dave to get a little closer.
All right, nice. Nice little recovery. Whoa! Very loose, so loose. Oh! Oh, loosey goosey.
Oh, unfortunately, Gump out of this one. He'll be back for the second race. 4 minutes down and 4 minutes to go. Barrett still controlling from the front. Dave Henry in that second spot in the yellow, orange, and purple. You know Dave will not make mistakes. So he'll be on Barrett, but Barrett setting that pace. As he always does, he always looks good. And he's doing it right now with a 30.0 fast lap. Henry last time by 32.6. Dave Steele in that third spot, followed by Brian Seek and Fab. It's so close
I think this is Larrabee.
for that third spot. They're battling right now on the left side of the track. Steeler and Brian. Oh, back and forth. But they still have some time, so keep it clean, keep it consistent. Then it's Chris Larabi in that sixth spot. John Kennedy, his best lap last time by 32.8. Carter Steele, Steve Bowman, and Dave Turcotte.
Just the leaders, but I lost a couple positions on that one. I believe those first two are the leaders. I'll probably drop down to maybe 8. I was in 6 before. I don't know.
Two minutes to go. 2 minutes to go. The all pink of Barrett Morrow going to the backside right now. In second, we have Dave Henry. And Steeler in that third spot. Steeler is coming over the big double right now to the front. Now the nice thing about these double A mains is you never know what's going to happen in the second race. So a second in this race is as good as a first.
I lose so much time when I go there.
If you get first that second race, you'll get a tiebreaker. So it's Olympic style scoring, just like motocross. So
Right blocking my view.
it should be a great last main. But Barrett Morrow going the fast way around right now. Last time by for him, 31.0 and a 30.0 fast lap. He's seeking that 29 that he had in qualifying. In second, still Henry and Brian Seek, 30.7. Brian is flying. 1 minute left.
Last minute.
Him and Steeler still doing battle for that third spot, going down the back double. Oh, and he turns Dave in. You can say it's a racing incident.
Oh, what was that? Yikes.
45 seconds. Let's see what's going to happen
All right.
with this battle for third.
2 laps.
$30 seconds to go. Steelers still hounding down Brian.
That was
Let's
probably for
see.
position. I think I moved up 1.
Chris Larabi in the 5th spot, 3.1 back. Then it's Fab, another 2.6 back. Bowman coming his way back up, 8.9 back. And Carter in the 8th spot. John Kennedy and David Turcott.
I'm in 9th. That's not good. That's
Let's
worse than
see.
where I started.
Dave right on Brian
Damn.
here. One more lap. This is the battle for third. If you guys are watching on the side, this is the battle for third on the
What
left
was
side
that?
of the track.
Oh no, divot. Hey!
Barrett, you're done taking the first AMAIN. Brian going to the backside double. David
Oh,
on
man.
his heels.
Rock absolutely wrecked my
Let's
last
see.
lap.
Dave Henry done. Chris Larabi done. Fab, you're done. David's going to send it. Oh, spins out.
Go.
And that'll be all she wrote. Brian will take
Damn.
that third spot.
All drivers are finished.
All right.
5th. Of course, Larabi in 5th. Fab, Bowman, Carter,
Not
John
good.
Kennedy, and David Turcott.
All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you're new or subscribe, you want to talk, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.